Saskatoon's and Saskatchewan's first safe consumption site is going to be opening on October 1st. The organization facilitating the site is Prairie Harm Reduction. You may know them better under its former name as Aid Saskatoon. Today, we're speaking to Prairie Harm's Executive Director, Jason Mercredi, on how things have been going rolling up into that October 1st start date. So Jason, for people who may not know or just need a refresher about some of the services that you guys do offer, can you fill us in on that?
We have outreach programming, we have support services program, family support program where we work to keep people's kids safe who may be dealing with some substance issues. We have education, we have a drop-in center, then we have Naloxone trainers that go out into the community and train people up and distribute Naloxone kits.
And when it comes to the Naloxone kits and that education, can you just explain what people should be looking for if they do see someone in distress or in a situation where they may need to use Naloxone?
Some of the things to look for are drug use paraphernalia around. They might be coming in and out of consciousness, so asking them if they've used anything recently. And then, if there's shortness of breath and there's clear signs of drug use or somebody can give you those indications, then I would say that it's safe to administer Naloxone. And if you have a kit on you, you can prep it. If not, you should be calling 911 immediately.
And Jason has actually given us a demonstration on how to use Naloxone. We'll take a look at that right now.
Then if you open it up, it comes with 3 vials of Naloxone that they're in here. It comes with 3 syringes that have retractable ends. It comes with some alcohol swabs, some gloves, and if you have to perform CPR, it also comes with a mouth guard as well. When somebody overdoses, you have to prep the Naloxone shot. So this is a sample vial, it's just filled with saline solution. But they have this stopper that goes on top and helps you break the ampule. And so the biggest thing to remember is to swirl the ampule before you break it, because that makes sure that all the life-saving drug goes into the part where you need to take it. After you get it down there, you can snap it off, dispose of the top, set it down, and then at that point you got to open up these syringe packets. And so then you want to take the needle, and so then you dip it into the drug. You make sure you gather up everything as much as you can. Flip it up, get as much of the air out as you can. The one nice part about Naloxone is it doesn't have to go into a vein. It's intramuscular injection, so it goes into the thigh, your butt, or your shoulder, and you can put it straight in. So a bit of air in there is not a bad thing. You don't want a ton, but a little bit of air isn't going to do anybody any harm. Once you get the site picked out, you slam it into the body, you push it down, and then you can see the needle came out nice and neat, and then we'd make sure we dispose of that.
Brady Lang, 650 CKOM.